In this video, we're going to show you how to update a listing in RealtyMX, which is a software data vendor for the Revenue RLS here in New York City. Now keep in mind, when you hit My Stuff, My Listings, it will show all listings that you have ever listed for sale or that has been sold or delisted. So this is too comprehensive. What you should do is scroll down and search for all active listings. And now you'll only see the listings that you have that are for sale or in contract. If you want to make an edit, let's do an example. Hit edit. Let's say you want to add an open house. Go down. Say this Sunday. If it's by appointment only, check that. If it's just a general open house where people can walk in, make sure you don't check that. And then if that was it, all you have to do is hit submit. And this will tell you if there are some fields that are missing. So perhaps this is an update in the system where the RLS has started requiring a certain field. So just make sure you correct it. It'll show you which field it is, or it'll tell you. So you scroll up until we find it. No, it looks all good. So it's the fee field, which is further down. And this is the field. So make sure it's filled out. Hit submit. Okay. And then hit OK. And that's it. Now, let's go back and do another example. Let's cancel this out. And let's say that the seller wanted to change the listing price. So then $330. Say they increased it rather than decreased it. Same thing. All you do, submit listing, OK, hit OK, and that takes care of it. Or let's say that they wanted to change the listing status. That is pretty common. So in terms of listing statuses, at least for sales, the main ones are either it's for sale, which means it's active, or if it's in contract. So there's no offer accepted status. It's either for sale or in contract or sold. Those are the commonly accepted RLS statuses. This is not an official one, so you do not need to. But when there is a fully executed contract, do in contract. This is in contract. Let's actually do this. And the listing has been updated. It'll actually take you, when you finally hit submit listing, to the results page, what it looks like in the RLS. Let's do this again. My listings. Status, all active listings, search. Let's go pick on this example again. Again, what we've discussed will be the most common listing edits. If something else changes, it's very rare. For example, the square footage, maybe they want to change it, or or even just delete it. That is something that can happen. Or perhaps they wanted to add a amenity that they felt was missing. You can do that here. If they wanted to add a different photo or a different photo ordering, perhaps like this, you can do that, drag and drop. You can add a virtual URL to a YouTube video. If there's a property video, you can add that and then hit display at the end. If the common charges or maintenance has changed, you can edit it here. If you find out the number of shares, we should actually include that, obviously, and not have it be a placeholder. And then just hit submit. That's it. So that's it. Thanks again for watching, and if you've liked this video, you can check us out on our channel. Please subscribe and like it. If you have any questions, leave a comment. We'll get right back to you. And of course, if you are a new agent in the city, please check us out at monskyrealestate.com/careers. We are always looking for new agents. We are often ranked as one of the best new companies for new agents in the city because of our extensive training curriculum, training videos such as these classroom sessions, and more. We also have a mentoring program for new agents, and of course we have higher than average commission splits starting at 75% to your own deals for even new agents. And of course, we don't have and don't believe in any hidden fees. We never have any startup fees or transaction fees or bathroom fees, software franchise fees, whatever it may be. We don't have any of that. So you'll never be nickel and dime here. And of course, if you have the capacity to and the interest, there's an opportunity to work with senior brokers on the team on company source transactions as well, which is quite rare in the city when it comes to sales, listings, and buyers. So if you're interested, please check us out. We'd love to hear from you. And once again, thank you so much for watching.